Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitria Lutfiana. I would like to explain about my proposal research with the topic the effectiveness of using Magic Dragon to teach student vocabulary for young learners. Okay, for the first, I would like to explain about the background of this research. As we know, vocabulary is very important for the student, especially for the young learners. Because why? Because vocabulary, with know more about vocabulary, the young learners can learn English easily and they can communicate effectively and learn about new concepts. With the vocabulary, it can help the students to in their life, in their daily activity, in their communication, and in their socialization. Based knowledge and skill of character need to be given at the early age. This is according to the presidential number 87 2007 that said that regarding strengthening the character building, one of the ways of strengthening the character building is by giving both soft skill and hard skill suitable with the young learner's character and personality for their future life. Learning by doing, learning by playing is one of the young learner's character that stimulates them to play and learn. Based on that statement, we know that besides the student learn about the vocabulary, in this research, the researcher want to ask the students to more active in learning activity through games. As we know, nowadays the students, many young learners have a new game that is like video game, Mobile Legend, and etc. Games help and encourage many learners to learn target language more easily. They also help teachers to create context in which the target words are useful and meaningful. They also bring fun for students. As we know, in Indonesia, the teacher always teach English seriously, but when the teacher teach English through game, automatically the student will be more fun, will be more happy, and will be more understand about the material because they do this learning with fun activity. Some research findings show that the use of technology for learning is strongly suggests based on Christian 1981-1982. However, when the use of electronic tool is not followed by either parents or teachers' guidance, there will be no control and monitor from the adult. As a result, children will prefer to learn by themselves individually and reduce interaction with peers. So, in this research, the researcher want to give the solution how the student can learn not individually but they can learn with a good socialization through traditional game. As we know, traditional games that are frequently found all around the rural area are getting extinct. In Indonesia, this kind of traditional games could support teamwork as a primary activity and working together and cooperative principle. For example, hide and seek, bentengan, dakon. It's kind of the traditional game. So, with the traditional game can teach the students not only about entertain but also keep the social relationship and social convenience among the players, and also it can make the student to understand the education value, moral value, and social norm as well, not only about the English education. So, this research will discuss about the effectiveness of using Magic Dragon to teach students vocabulary for young learners. And the researcher have the research question, that is, how is the effectiveness of using Magic Dragon to teach students vocabulary for young learners. And the research objective is to explain how is the effectiveness of using Magic Dragon to teach students vocabulary for young learners. For the next item is pedagogical significance. There is theoretical benefit, practical benefit, and the last is the other researcher. The researcher have 5 previous research from national journal and international journal. For the first is an journal and the title Portec or Portable English to teach English vocabulary, the case of the 5th grade of MI Muhammadiyah Genting Gunung Sukorejo Kendal Regency by Fitri Yulianti from Universitas PGRI Semarang. And the second is an journal from Rohyani Lestianawati and title Modifying Hide and Seek Traditional Game to Teach Vocabulary for Early Childhood Students. And the next is an international journal by Huyen and Nga and the title Learning Vocabulary Through Games, the Effectiveness of Learning Vocabulary Through Games. And the next, an international journal from Irandolati and Mikaili, and the title Effect of Instructional Games on Facilitating of Student Vocabulary Learning. And the last is an international journal from Said Mujarrodi, and the title The Effect of Using Flashcard on ESL English as a Second Language, Student Ability to Learn Vocabulary. Okay, I forget to explain what is Magic Dragon. Magic Dragon is combination about flashcard and dragon. So the researcher will do experimental method, will do experiment for the students how to learn vocabulary through flashcard and dragon. Okay, and the next is literature review. The researcher have 4 literature review. For the first is definition of vocabulary, and the second is the students' problems to learn vocabulary. The third is flashcard as a teaching strategy, and the last is Dakon. For the next is hypothesis. Hypothesis here, there are significant difference in the results seen before using Magic Dragon and after using Magic Dragon to teach student vocabulary for young learners. And then research design. The researcher of this study used through experimental research. The researcher using the through experimental research. The researcher will do the pre-test, post-test control group design. For this control group design, subjects are randomly assigned to the 2 groups, that is control groups and experimental group. But only the experimental group is treated. After close observation, both groups are post-test to measure the degree of change in each group. The determination of these 2 groups is going to use random sampling technique. After determining the sample, the researcher prepared the materials and instruments that will be used to teach. Then the researcher make a pre-test to both the control group and experimental group. Pre-test is going to be held to know and measure about the ability of student in vocabulary list. After the observation, the student will do the post-test to know the difference between control group and experimental group and to measure whether there is a significant changing in experimental group or not after they give treatment. Source of data and participant and setting. The participant of this research are students of first grade in MTS Hasyim Asy'ari Bangsri. First grade in MTS Hasyim Asy'ari Bangsri consists of 11 class, and the participants are going to be 120 students, which divide into 2 groups. First group will be the experimental, and the second group will be control group. For the sample, the researcher used random sampling. And then the variable. independent variable is the effectiveness of Magic Dacon to teach student vocabulary for young learners, and the dependent variable is students' vocabulary list and pronunciation after using Magic Dacon to teach student vocabulary for young learners. Method of collecting data. The researcher will conduct quantitative that focus on experimental study, pre-test conduct before the treatment apply, and post-test conduct after the treatment. The researcher is going to conduct pre-test in order to collect the pre-metadata. Then the researcher is going to conduct the treatment as planned and then give post-test in order to know is there any significant before and after giving the treatment. Instrument, that is pre-test and post-test. Method of analyzing data. In order to answer research question, the data were analyzed by the following method through SPSS software. For the first is descriptive statistic, was used to determine the mean of standard deviation of each group on the pre-test and post-test, and the second is independent t-test, was used to find the difference between the levels of the student of both group on post-test, and the last is pair t-test, was used to compare the difference before and after treatment in both group. Procedure and timeline. This research are going to conduct in the first semester with the material explanation text. For the first semester with the material about the expression. There are 4 weeks total for this research. For the first week in the 3rd and 6th May 2020, giving pretest to the student, control and experimental group, and the second week about the treatment in control class, and the third week about treatment in the experimental class, and the fourth week giving the post test to the student, control and